Hello there, and welcome to Full Assurance Apparel. We're Christian clothing line, and we're representing to the believers. We represent to the believers. We let the believers know that you gotta trust in God. And that's what it's all about here at Full Assurance Apparel. We're not just witnessing to the world, but we're witnessing to the world through the believers, letting the believers know that when you trust in God, everything is possible. When you trust in God, there's nothing that you can't do. You have dreams, you have visions, but if you trust in God, every dream, every vision will come to pass. Trust in God all the way. That's what God wants us to do, to trust in Him. Think about it. He said, oh God, they that know Him, they that know their God, that know Him, shall do great exploits. Oh my God. If you can just understand it, that we're supposed to be the head and not the tail. The Christians, the church is supposed to be above and not beneath. We're supposed to be lenders and not borrowers. My God, if you can catch that there, God wants us to be blessed. He said, beloved, I will that you would prosper and be in good health, even as your soul does prosper. And it's equal. All three of them is equal. Beloved, I will that you would prosper and be in good health, even as your soul does prosper. They are equal, and that's what God wants us to be. He wants us to be fully, holistically balanced. That way the church can have more than enough. And I'm speaking to that entrepreneur spirit in you. I want you to get up today and go out and get your blessing. If God has given you a dream, if God has given you a vision, please trust Him. Trust Him. Step out by faith. Step out by faith. That's what it's all about. Full Assurance Apparel. Full assurance. Full assurance. Full assurance. Confidence. Trusting in God. And it's not arrogance. It's just assurance. Full assurance in the Holy. Go get your blessing.